In the year 2020, approximately 10 million people died from cancer. However, this also means that 10 million families were affected by cancer in 2020. Cancer not only affects the individual who is diagnosed with it, but also influences and affects the lives of the people who surround these individuals. There are various ways in which cancer affects the family members. One of them is financial implications. Cancer treatment is expensive. Being diagnosed with cancer is expensive, and therefore this forms a strain and a source of stress on family members. Another way is the change in the family dynamics. Whereas cancer towards a parent means the parent is no longer able to cater for the child's needs. Therefore, this change in dynamics brings about various changes in the emotions, various changes in their thought processes, and also how they feel about cancer. Cancer affects various people in the families. One of them is spouses. If a partner has been diagnosed with cancer, then the other partner, who could maybe be the female, has to take over different roles and different responsibilities. Therefore, a cancer diagnosis changes the roles and the relationship dynamics of the couple. Another impact of a cancer diagnosis on the spouse is that it leads to changes in the physical and emotional needs. If an individual is diagnosed with cancer, it takes a lot on their mental well-being and their psychological well-being. Therefore, they are unable to cater for the emotional needs of the other spouse. Additionally, a cancer diagnosis also impacts the future plans that a spouse has made with their partner. Therefore, both of them look at the future in a bleak manner. Another group who a cancer diagnosis affects are children. The relationship between the parent and the child are always affected. For instance, the relationship now becomes more fearful. Additionally, another impact on children is role reversal. Whereas when a parent is diagnosed with cancer, it's almost as if the child now has to take over being the parent for this individual. The opposite can also happen. Whereas when the child is affected by cancer, the parent then takes over being the main source of support for this child. How does cancer affect the mental health of the family members? Cancer leads on to various amounts of stress. Heightened stress also leads towards fear. There's this sense of fear that when will things go wrong? When will the health deteriorate more? It also leads on to anxiety because you're always living on the edge. Additionally, cancer also leads on to feelings of anger towards yourself, anger towards the situation, anger towards hospital staff, and it also leads on towards the feelings of hopeless. You feel as though you are unable to do anything because cancer is out of your situation of control. So how can the extended family members help the family of individuals who are diagnosed with cancer? One way is by asking for help. Ask the individual, ask the family, can I help you? Is there anything I can do for you? Take a home-cooked meal for them. Additionally, build a team for them. Build a support system for them. Go to them, speak with them, talk to them, ask them, we're here for you, how can we help you? Also, talk to children. Talk to your children so that they are able to understand why the individual's family, the individual's children needs extra support. Society also plays a big role in how they can assist the family members. One way is society members need to have kind gestures, need to have compassionate gestures towards this family. Additionally, you can enhance or you can encourage the family members to go speak to a professional. This is because the professional will be able to help them cope and come to terms with this sudden diagnosis of cancer.